Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Lisa here. To all my new subscribers, welcome. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful butterfly look filled with many colors. Ooh. Yeah, so stay tuned and just keep watching. Let's get into it.
All of the snow in this winterland used to look so pretty.
So hey beauties, as you guys can see, I've already gone in with my Plouise base. And now I'm just about to go into one of my favorite palettes, the Afrique palettes by Juvia's Place. I'll be going in with the orange, that color right there, Dakar, for my transition color. This color is lovely, I love it, I always use it. It's like one of my favorite palettes. Yeah, so how are you guys doing? Like, what have you been doing? And I know in a lot of places the government's now starting to lift the restrictions on COVID, so we about to be free. And I pretty much just blend that color out. Until I have it nice and soft. Now that I'm finished blending out my transition color, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Deep Mocha. And I'm just gonna smoke it a little bit. A nice chocolatey color. Yeah, so comment below, let me know what you guys are planning to do as soon as your COVID restrictions are lifted. What do you have planned?
And I'll just keep blending this until I achieve a nice warm undertone.
Now that I'm finished smoking that out, I'm just gonna go in with my yellow first. And I'm using my Ultra Bright stack from Myomakeup. This is like one of my favorite stacks these days. All the colors are so bright and vibrant. First I'll just go and get that yellow and tap that in. These are very pigmented, so we just go in once more. Oh yeah, we're taking the yellow. I'm gonna go in for the orange. Look at that, guys. So pigmented.
After going in with the orange, I'm just going to use the Plouise base to define the edge of my wing.
Because I want that pink to really pop right there, just so it doesn't get lost. The blue. Now that's done, I'm gonna go in with my pink.
I'm going to be trying to overlay the pink with the orange just so they have that smooth transition together.
And after, I'm gonna go in with the blue. Oh yeah. These colors are the perfect summer colors. But you know guys, the past few days has been so rough. With all that's happening with the Black Lives Matter for our rights and standing up for what's right. You know, it does show that when we unite, we're stronger. Now that I have all the colors where I want them to be, I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner and I'm just gonna draw my butterfly. I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner.
I'll just be speeding this part up a bit so you guys can see exactly how I mapped out the butterfly.
And I did a little daisy at the top, butterflies and daisy.
I'll start off by drawing the center of my daisy, and then I'll be adding 4 petals to go around it. Also, I'll be drawing this one a little bit higher than the other one. And I'm just going to be testing things out as I go along.
Now that I have the butterfly the way I want it, I'm just going to go in with my pencil, my eyeliner, and just draw from here all the way over, just to match it so it looks like this one. You know, a lot of individuals that say all lives matter right now when we're actually having Black Lives Matter protests. But of course, all lives matter. We do know all lives matter. We're not saying only Black lives matter, if you know. No one's saying only Black lives matter. Do you understand? We're saying Black lives matter too, not only. You know, like, sorry guys, hold on just a minute.
Sorry guys, I know I'm ranting a bit, but you know, history's being made right now and change is necessary, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my Plouise base just to the bottom there, so I can do the same with the colors to match the top. Now I'm just going to go in with all the colors to match the top.
Support the Black Lives Matter movement. Let's choose not to be selfish. Our world is such a beautiful place. You know, it's sad to think that this much negative energy and hate would come from such a beautiful place. It makes our environment toxic. Hate and negative energy in life, it won't get you anywhere. It will just make you miserable. If you want to be miserable, then keep hating. Instead, preach love. Preach peace. Preach success. Preach equal rights.
Now I'll just be drawing a line to connect the butterfly.
The only thing you have to fear in life is fear itself. Nothing more, nothing less. And I'll also take my pen to go in and mimic these dots that you see there. Another thing that's good is that we have all these platforms, social media platforms, you know, that makes it possible for us to express ourselves freely, which is great.
I'm gonna go in with my NYX base for the center of my daisy, concealer, and the yellow from my Myomakeup stack. I'm gonna go in with some petroleum jelly to clean up.
I'll be taking this silver from the Myomakeup and just dabbing it into my daisy. Now that's all done and cleaned up, I'm just gonna go in with my white brow pencil to line my eye. Before I start my makeup, I'm gonna go in with my Hard Candy Perfect.
I'm gonna be going in with my foundation. I'll be mixing two shades together from the Maybelline Fit collection. One will be the Hydrate and Smooth in the shade Coconut, and the other one will be the Maybelline Matte Poreless in Cappuccino. I love these shades combined together because they give me such a nice, cool, warm tone. After that, I'll be going in with my most favorite concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I love this concealer so much. I talk about this all the time.
Just gonna go in with my damp beauty blender and blend.
I'll just be using my beauty blender to tap that concealer into my pores so I can have a nice, smooth, flawless finish.
I'm just gonna go in to bake with my Bennye banana powder. Beautiful peeps, don't forget to hit that like button, okay? Can you guys believe it's 2 o'clock and I'm up doing this for you guys?
I'll just be lightly applying my setting powder to avoid flashbacks whenever I'm taking pictures. I don't want it to be too white.
Now that that's done, I'm gonna go with my MAC Studio Fix.
I'll just be using this to contour and bring some warmth back to my face.
And this is just a leftover product that I'm just gonna use here.
One of the pimples on my cheek is actually a mosquito bite, guys. I live in Alberta, so the mosquitoes here, they fight back.
While I'm baking, I'm just gonna go in with my MAC Silver Dust and I'm gonna use that on my brows. I love this highlight. I love this highlight.
Now that that's all done, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation brush to remove all the extra setting powder. I'm just gonna use my finger to highlight my nose and my cupid's bow.
I just feel like this look needs all the glow that it can get.
I'll be lining my lips with this jet black Wet n Wild pencil.
So I'm just gonna go with this Nude NYC lipstick for a base, but I just need.
I'll be using the yellow from the Myomakeup and I'll tap that right above the nude lipstick. Then I'll just go in with that bright pink on the outer corners of my lips just to create an ombre effect. Yeah, and I'll be doing the same to my bottom lips. And as you guys can see, I just rubbed my lips together to get everything nicely lined up. I decided to add some blue where both colors met, and it turned out perfectly because I love how these colors are working together.
Now to finish this beauty off, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. And this is what I have, beauties. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I feel like a beautiful fairy. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed watching me create this beauty. Okay? To my newcomers, it was a pleasure to have you today. Consider subscribing if you enjoyed my content. Until next time, guys.